In this video, let's talk about how to fix Yahoo Mail cannot log in. Now, in this situation, if you're trying to log into Yahoo Mail using a web browser, what you could do is try to clear out the browser cache. So simply tap on the three-dotted line on the top right, head over to delete browsing data, head over to more options and make sure that last 24 hours is selected, and then simply tap on delete data. Once you complete this step, head back to the same login page and try to see if you can now log in. If you're doing this within the mobile app of Yahoo, what you need to do is just reinstall the application of Yahoo onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. Now, if after trying all of these steps you're still having issues with it, this is likely happening due to the server side status, which means that the platform might be down right now. In this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before the issue is automatically resolved. So I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.